They sound amazing. The microphone sounds amazing. Headsets and audio mixers. What have I got myself into? Welcome back, guys. This is Josh for Lead and Iron. I have an exciting review for you today. Today we're going to be reviewing FIFINE's H9 headset and its perfect companion, the SC3. If you're getting into streaming, podcasting, or gaming, you might want to stick around. These two products might be right up your alley, so let's dig in. So what I want to do is show you what comes in these boxes real quick before we get going. That way you know what to expect when you start getting into your box here. Starting off with this box, we have a microphone that is detachable. That's very important. I really like using products that you can interchange, or not even interchange, you can just remove or put on depending on, if you want to use a dedicated mic or if you just want to use this headset. I also want to show you why that's important. You also get this controller that controls your headset, your mic volume, but also 7.1 surround sound. So you can turn it on right here. And it has a little clip on it, so you can clip it to your shirt. That way it doesn't get in the way or you accidentally, knock it. I really like the way that is. And now we come to the headset. They are wired. They feel pretty light, well made. I like that they're, soft, and hopefully I see that there is movement on the actual ear pads here where your headset actually sits. So it might look like you won't squish your head too bad. Let's check it out. This is the left, yes. Adjusting it felt good. There's the right amount of tension on there. I kind of like that a lot. All right. They feel real good. Like I feel like I won't be fatigued from playing too long or having these on too long. I like that there's like the perfect amount of resistance to adjust. It's not gonna just pull away all the way out or slam it all the way back in. It's really nice. This pad right here works great. These pads on the ears doesn't feel like they're squishing your ears. I know there's some headsets that just feel like they're gonna pinch your head and they pinch your ears, and after a while they just start hurting. That did not feel like that at all. But we are gonna try them on PC, and I'm gonna see if they work on consoles as well. So that's what that's in that box. And now we are going to focus on the SC3 as well. Okay, let's start with the bags. This looks like a TRS to TRRS cable. Nice little foam. Get that out of the way. And this looks like a USB-C to USB-A, but yes, you can take off that USB-A connector and it can be USB-C to USB-C. That is nifty. And the belle of the ball, of course, we have the audio mixer, the SC3. Okay, that's all that's in that box. Now, one thing I did notice is really cool. Okay, so there's no power cable. So this tells me that I can take this with like my laptop and have a way to get audio out, put audio in, use these custom buttons right here, and have really good audio coming out even when I'm traveling. So that is a major plus. I'm kind of glad that that's the way it is. Looking a little bit closer, you do have phantom power, that 48 volt at the very top left. You have it looks like a auto tune? Yeah, auto tune.
Contact.
So they have auto tune on here as well. So if you're singing and stuff, you can use that. This is for RGB. Oh, that's so cool. They got voice changer on here. So it can be male, female, robot, monster, baby.
That sounds about right.
What the
What do you mean?
You find yourself a voice mod there?
And elder. That's really cool. Like I said, 4 custom buttons right here. And I want to see, oh yeah. These feel really good. They slide nice. It doesn't feel janky or nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
It feels really good. I also like that there's mute buttons on all these. So as you see, you can mute at one touch. That's awesome. So it looks like the C goes to your PC. There's a line out for like speakers, stuff like that. A headphone only, so you can just plug this in. And if you have a dedicated mic, you can just put these into your headphones for just only headphones, no mic. You have a line in, so you can put like another, like your phone or something in and capture audio like that. And here it looks like a headset. So this is headset mic. So it's gonna be your headset and your mic. And I want to point out that when you use this headset right here with a 3.5, your mic is connected to this headset, so you won't be able to use this. But that's okay, because they have only headset alone right there. You can also use that headset to monitor how you sound and stuff like that. This is really nice. And then of course you have a switch for dynamic or condenser. And of course you can do your XLR or your large, I can't remember the size, but this feels good. This feels really good. Doesn't move. These are all the things that came with it. I can't wait to use these. I'm gonna plug these in. So what I want to do for you guys is I'm going to take you over to my gaming setup. I am going to show you how to use this on PC and how it sounds. I'm gonna capture. That way you have an idea of how this mic sounds just plugged in. And then I'm going to plug this in to this SC3 and then show you the differences on those. I'm really excited. I've been in the market for a new headset. The headset I have right now, I can't use a mic on it because the mic isn't that great, but the quality of the sound comes out is pretty good. And my understanding is this is supposed to be really good. So I'm really looking forward to this. I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, I'm going to take you right over to here. I'm going to show you how I plug this in to the back of my PC. Well, actually, I'm going to show you how to put these in first. Do a few record sessions with just this and this controller right here. And then we're going to take this controller off and just use the headset with this mixer to see how that sounds. And then I'm also going to show you how this microphone sounds, and it's detachable, which is a major plus for me already. What is up, guys? Joshua Lead and Iron. I had a video where I was streaming and it's all corrupt. I guess that's just the life of a content creator. It happens. This is the first time this happened to me, like on a bigger project. Now, this is what the mic sounds like. I'm at full volume all the way up on the SC3. So this is the sound with the SC3 coming, as you can see right here. So this is this way. This is the volume that goes all the way up. We're going to cycle through some of these LED options. You can have orange. I'm monitoring my mic right now. So you can see right here, this is how you monitor what you're sounding like. And now I'm not. So it shows you that it turns all the same color. And those, when you want to mute, will mute you. So let me go back. Let me make sure that I'm sounding okay as we cycle through these colors. And you see how you can set pretty much how you want your device to look. This is the SC3 from FIFINE. This thing is pretty amazing. I'm really liking it. Like I said, I have a Go XLR. It sits in a corner because it was so difficult to try to get everything right. I said, forget about it. I stopped using it. This was so easy to use. And I'm so glad that I went with this. So this is what you're getting out of the microphone. This is the raw microphone coming straight out of the box. I've been using this for about a week now, and I don't think I'm going back to my wireless headset. This is going to be my headset. I'm very happy with this headset. The ability to control everything at my fingertips and also give myself like a little bit of light. I can customize things. I can change my voice if, you go through these.
And it just kind of makes streaming a little bit more fun.
Especially when, this one's kind of weird to me, but especially when you go through like these.
And especially this baby one. This baby one has me cracking up. And it had my friend cracking up when we were streaming.
And then this is the elder one. This one's funny too. I can see myself run through this. But you just
long press and it comes right back. So It turns off, long press. Same thing with the auto tune. I did play with auto tune a little bit. It was kind of funny. Hopefully that saved. But a lot of the files that I recorded were corrupt. So this is just kind of like an overview of what I went through. Now I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to plug this into my USB hub right here. And then I'm going to take the 3.5 millimeter that is currently into the SC3 and just plug it in here. This clips right onto your shirt and you're able to control like your volume for your headset here and your microphone here. And then this is for 7.1 surround sound. You just push this on and off and it will make it sound a lot better. I heard everything. Now, mind you, this is for gaming. So what I'm going to do is just going to plug this into the extra space in my USB hub right here. I have it right. Now, I think you're able to hear me. This might be a little louder because it's not going through anything. So you're able to control it right here, straight off your controller. And you can turn down your mic. You can turn it up, all the way up. You can turn on your headset. And then your 7.1 surround sound audio is right here. On and off. Real simple, real quick. And then all you got to do is just kind of, and now nothing's in the way. You're not bumping it. I don't know if I'm going to be using the SC3, which I think I really am long term, or if I'm going to use it like this. But I know having this right here made a big difference in some games. I know that especially like in Warzone, you have a hard time hearing footsteps. That's part of the game, but I'm not saying that you're going to be able to hear it all the time because that's a glitch in Warzone. But I heard vehicles from, I can't even tell you where. I heard vehicles running before it was even on my map. So this is what it sounds like plugged in straight out of the box. No SC3. This is just the microphone. It might be a little loud. That's the only downfall is I can't monitor it like I have been monitoring with the SC3. But then you always have your friends or whoever's in chat with you or even in the game with you. Sometimes they'll tell you, hey, that mic is loud, it's too loud, turn it down. So I'm going to go ahead and then take this back out and then plug it back into the SC3. I am very much more comfortable with the SC3. I really like having everything at my fingertips. And the SC3 and the H9 pair perfectly together. This is something that I wish I would have known, a few months ago when I got this Go XLR that I've used one time. I'm very happy with this audio mixer. And I want to show it to you guys again because it's very nice. You have your input, output, headset only, and then your mic and headset, and then your actual just external mic. Now, when you use the mic headset portion, I said this before in the last one, but it does take over the control of this mic. So you won't be able to use this and this at the same time. That's not a big deal. I know that my last headset that I had, I'm not going to say any names. I'm not going to put any company down. That's not what this is about. But my microphone was so bad on the last headset I had, I went out and bought a microphone, dedicated microphone to stream or even just in game because it was that bad. Like I couldn't get my team to chat with me as much because it would get like every other word or every second word, third word. I mean, it was just a nightmare. So I went out. I bought a dedicated mic. It cost me $200. And then somewhere in when me and my buddy were playing, I said, how does this sound? And he goes, it sounds normal, like, your everyday mic. And I said, no, this, I spent $200 on that dedicated mic and this is coming out of my headset. So that made me feel good that it sounded like that. But my very first impression when I first heard this, I was amazed. Holy crap. I can't even explain that. Hopefully I could show you. Whoa. All right. We're in business, guys. Because the first time I heard it, I was like, whoa. Whoa. So if you're getting into gaming, if you're getting into podcasting, if you're getting into streaming, or you're getting into content creation in general, the value that this brings to you, I would say get this. It will probably be around $100, maybe right under $100. I'm here in California, so the tax is 10 and a quarter, whatever it is. So I can't really say that it's going to be this much or that much, depending on where you live. But for under $100, this is amazing. You're not going to find anything else that's going to be this clear, this for both the headset and the microphone. You're not going to be able to find anything that clear. And then pairing it with the SC3, the audio mixer. I wish I would have known about this audio mixer a few months ago. I didn't do my thorough research, and I should have. So I really hope that this video helps you in any way make a decision, because this was so easy to use. I just changed it on my computer, you know, my right here where my volume comes out. That's all I did. And it worked. I didn't have to go find and change this into this music, into that. I didn't have to do that. This was one of these videos that I wanted to get out to you guys because it was just so good. It was so good that I needed to share with you guys. And I'm really glad, you know, FIFINE gave me the opportunity to review these things for you guys, because this is amazing. This will be what I use to game, to stream. I unplugged my mic. This is just going to be it because it's easier. It's right here. Or now I can even have a dedicated mic for streaming, for my stream, and a dedicated mic for my in-game play. So this would be my in-game, and that would be for stream. We'll set it up like that. But for now, I am fine with the way this sounds. I'll show you right here that, oh yeah, I don't even have it on here. So yeah, this is literally out of the box for both of these. You will be happy with them. I can't tell you enough how happy I am with this. You guys will be happy as well. FIFINE, I'm getting more. This stuff's amazing. I'll probably even change this out to FIFINE. It's my dedicated mic here. I'm ready. I'm sold. I'm sold. 100%. Before I go, the fitment on this, right? So I played a few hours of Warzone, and I did not get like head fatigue, or not, my ears weren't pinched. It didn't feel like I was, you know, my ears were getting crushed. I wear blue lens, you know, blue light protector glasses sometimes as well. And it didn't pinch it to the side of my head. The foam, it really didn't feel like I had a headset on. And that's important, especially if you go, you know, you're gaming for 3 or 4 hours. That was impressive. Normally, like my headset, I get a headache because it's pinching. I think the movement in this is just right. The way it fits my head is just right. You're not going to have any problems with like you're getting like weird headaches or getting fatigue. I just wanted to also, you know, mention that to you because that's a big plus. If you're looking for a headset, the H9, this is the microphone that you're going to hear. The audio is perfect. It sounds good. It sounds very good. Now, if you're looking to pair it up with an audio mixer like the SC3 here, I would say do this. You know, a lot of people would say for beginners, but this, I would say it goes far beyond beginners. This is, you know, you can be intermediate. And then once you start getting into the pro stuff, that's the pro stuff. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be expensive and whatnot. But this, man, FIFINE did a great job. And I encourage you, if you are looking or in the market for an audio mixer like this that has phantom power, this is it. This is it for you. I will be putting links of these products in the description below. They will be one for the H9 headset and one for the SC3 headset. And let me know what else you want to know. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. If this kind of stuff is valuable to you, please like and subscribe. Comment in the comments. Let me know, you know, how it helped you. It also helps the channel out and kind of gets me out there. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for joining me, but I gotta go because my back hurts.